पयर चर्चा जाली जेन्ना माझे डिमांड्स ना पयर चर्चा जाली एक क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 आहले आमचे बाबा लीडर ऑफ पोजिशन. It was not at all my intention to hurt anybody's sentiment, and least of all people whom we are dealing, we want them to come to the table and according to listen to the opinion of all the 40 MLAs or particularly those from coastal area and come to a consensus. Where is my intention to hurt them? And some people said, some people came to me and they said, your chief minister said that there was no this. He was right. What I said was misheard or was not heard properly. I did not say that they fought in the conference room when the meeting was going on. There is a fundamental difference. Meeting went on very smoothly. On the contrary, I told the chief minister, today they are so well behaved, and today I think we will be able to crack our problem which is there for so long. They are very positive. And in that meeting itself, in that interview itself, and in this August House, I called them the real ambassadors of tourism. If I was against them, if I had something against them, why I would have said that that they are the real ambassadors? I rather praise them. And when is it that I have not reached out to them? When they were in difficulty, I reached out to them. And what is the thing what we are proposing? Simply it has become an ego point. A draft policy on aggregator is sought to be projected as if we have notified. They seem to be so intelligent, especially leader of opposition. He shows a draft aggregator policy. Does it become a policy for me to withdraw? It remains on paper. It is as good as nothing. He should realize this. Otherwise, I am ready to withdraw it right now. There is nothing to withdraw because it is a draft. They should realize this. I did not say this. I was waiting for the moment to answer this. Purposely, I did not answer. A draft policy is nothing. It means nothing, I am telling you. So, even when a new policy comes, that means that will be automatically withdrawn. I said it on purpose. I wanted to see what you are saying. Remember, a draft is a draft. It is nothing finalized. So we can come out with a brand new policy. As is our endeavor, Speaker Sir. Get everybody on the digital platform. They don't like the word app. Get them on a digital platform where fares would be uniform for everyone. No distinction. And since they said, we have respect to that. I respect their opinion. As I said the other day when I answered that question, I must sometimes put myself in their shoes, what they feel. Yes, I put myself in their shoes. And therefore, it should be one single rate. And from point to point, it should be available on your mobile. What is the fare to the tourist, to the local person who is traveling, and to the taxi fellow. He knows how much he will earn. And when you are going to go on the digital platform, once you register there, and if you have a daily customer who comes every year, and every time he comes, he will come to you only. Will he say, no, I will give only this much? I know of cases where they pay you double or triple because tourists love Goa, they love the atmosphere and they just tip you. And we have, at least I have always reached out to the taxi people. I don't know how so much of misunderstanding every time, as if I am against them and I am against because they are local and I am not for locals. What type of argument I myself don't understand. So basically, we all are for Goans. I don't want to single out anyone and say that he is not for Goan. We all are for Goa. That should be the real spirit with which we work. And I'm telling another thing. Let me be frank. We are in the election year. Whatever I may say, I'll try to do this. As I said earlier, you can take a horse to a water, but you cannot ask it to drink the water. I want to see, if I have to bend backwards, I will bend to accommodate their thinking. But it has to be a joint exercise from all the MLAs. And let us come out with a solution. But one thing I plead with the August House. Ultimately, they have to come on a digital platform. We need data to plan. We need data to decide which types of taxes we can give permit, we should not give. Today it is in a haphazard manner.